So today we're going to be talking makeup, and everything I'm showing you today is from Walmart. So I ordered all of my products online. My local Walmart has a lot of the items in stock, but what I ordered mostly, I think all of it, came off of me going online and purchasing it. So if you can't find it at your local Walmart, my items I use, try looking online. So this is the look that you're going to see today. It is new products that I have bought and used, and I can't wait to share what the items are and how I applied them. If you have trouble finding the links, so I will put all the links in the description. Sometimes you have to click on a button or an icon to show you all the links. If you're on a laptop, computer, usually there is a description that will say see more. So it starts with the description and then it may say see more. Once you click on it, it will give you the rest of the description and the links to the item. If you're on a phone, it may have like an upside down, like little V that, or I don't guess it would be upside down, I guess it would be normal. Anyway, you click on that V and it will give you the drop down of the rest of the description. Anyway, let's get started. So last month I bought some eyeshadows, some products from By Terry. It was a brand I found at Walmart and I'm loving them. And I bought an eyeshadow in Blonde Opal and Bronze Mood. This was cream eyeshadow. This time I decided to try another color and it's called Black Pearl. To apply this, you pick out your color and I just color my lid all over with the color I'm wanting, and this color was the Bronze Moon. Then I took the Black Pearl and I applied it almost like an eyeliner on the corners and up toward the crease to get a dramatic smoky eye look. And I finished it with the lightest color called Blonde Opal. I apply that under the eyebrow to lift my eyes and in the creases of my inner eye. Now, I know this looks a little scary, so what we have to do is blend it together. And I just take my finger and I start with the lightest color first. I blend in the Blonde Opal and then I start blending in the Bronze Moon, and finally I start to blend in the dark Black Pearl. You can blend as much as you want, and I want to try to bring the three colors kind of together to create a little bit of a dramatic look. Now, once you've done this, it's gonna look a little more dark than once you get your eyeliner coming up next and your mascara on. So with the eyeliner, I start with the outer edge and bring inward, and I don't go all the way to the inner eye. You can if you want. I go about 3/4 of the way. And once again, it's a smudge also, so you can smudge it to get it to the color you want. But this eyeliner I've got here by Terry is waterproof, along with the mascara I'm going to show you. So I bought these products because I'm going on vacation, going to be in the pool, going to be in the ocean, and I do want at least eyeliner and mascara on my eyes because I'm blonde, actual blonde, and I have very light lashes. They won't show up otherwise. So you apply your mascara to the top, bottom, and I usually also do it to the back of my eyelashes so that they will be for sure coated, and that keeps them looking long. After you've done that, we go on to the eyebrow, and I'm using here by Eyeko, E-Y-E-K-O. It's a brand, and it is in the color light, a brow defining pencil. And I always do the bottom first, and you go from the inner. You see here, I'm showing you how to decide where you start, end your eyebrow should go. And then I set it, once you've put that on there, once you have the eye pencil colored, the eye brow colored in with the pencil. And I had forgotten to use the spoolie to bring the hairs to make them look natural over the color that was colored in. Then you set it with a clear gloss, a clear, not a gloss, a clear setting gel for your eyebrows. Wipe off all the excess. I made the mistake of not doing that, and it doesn't look as natural. If you wipe off a lot of the product before you apply it, then the hairs just look natural. Now I'm also going to add, when I said gloss, this is what I was thinking of. I'm going to add a different eye color. This is also by Ico, and it is in the color Retrograde, and it is an eyelid gloss. You can see how shiny it is and how glossy it looks compared to the other, which I already thought was pretty shimmery, but this really stays beautiful. And even though the Retrograde looks purple, I don't think this is a purple look. Okay, I'm showing you a new lipstick I just got. It is a matte liquid lipstick. This is also by Terry, and I love, love, love this lipstick, but don't make the mistake I made and forget to wipe off as much of the product as you can. I've got a little heavy-handed here in my application, and so it's not looking great. But anyway, you can use the tip to outline your lips and start, as I said, wipe off more of it than less, and you can always go back in and fill in. I went a little heavy-handed, but fixed it pretty good. I'm adding a little extra moisture to my lips with a CoverGirl lip moisturizer. You can buy that just in clear. And then I'm going to add just a tiny bit of blush to my cheeks and blend it all in together. I will put the description of the blush and all the products in the bottom of the description, so you can check that out there. But I hope you like this look and my latest makeup haul. If so, be sure to leave a comment and big thumbs up. Thanks.